So we were doing late night preparation for deciding the key and the discussion I was preparing. Early morning it was 4 o'clock. So one of our my classmates, he's a emergency medicine clinician. So at morning 4 o'clock he buzzed and said, wish you a happy Mahashivaratri. I recognized, oh, this is the Shivaratri, and what a pious effort. Entire night we were sitting and preparing the preparation for the today's paper and key. So religion is what you do most of the times in your life, enjoying doing it. So we enjoy teaching students. So we enjoy making them confident for their exam. So that became our religion. So we don't recognize any other religion. So during the short tenure of preparation also, you might have had a lot of ups, downs, emotions, breakdowns. But last 1 week, you have held your religion of your own faith that I am going to win the MD entrance. Continue the same faith, because it is you who need to believe yourself first. Then the entire world will believe you that you are capable of doing that. So you retain the same spirits, go to the exam, open mind, don't worry about I would have done more, I would have done less. That's all involutional psychosis in old age. That's not needed. Life is a multitude of unexpected, unforeseen variables and contingencies. Never a plan which is being made can go the way it is. So you need to hold your energy, confidence, and then win the exam in bright light. I am quite sure. Because what is needed is not knowledge for entrance. What is needed is common sense, presence of mind, and a trust and faith in ourselves that we deserve to become MD, DM, and lead the world of medical practice. That's the confidence you need to have when you go to entrance. So what is your answer, doctor? Low red count means bone marrow is failing to produce. So pure red cell aplasia, aplastic anemia, vitamin B12 deficiency, it will fail. Thalassemia may, peripherally it is destroyed, but bone marrow is still intact. Hence, there will be high reticulocyte count is what need to be remembered. Which leukemia? One question without on AML, ALL, CML, CLL, there is no paper, doctor. You will remember me while answering a question on leukemia in tomorrow's exam. Which has got the least impact? CLL, elderly person, retired, found to have broken down lymphocytes, diagnosed with CLL. He will live nicely, happily, go to graveyard with his CLL after 20 more years. So it's very, very benign. Acute folliculitis, what is your answer, doctor? It is typically Staphylococcus aureus. Mean head circumference is how much? Sometimes you can carry a tape and calculate it of your classmates writing entrance. Very good. 35 centimeters. HbS positive mother, newborn is born. What do you want to do? Both vaccine and also immunoglobulin you want to give is what you need to remember. This is a little tricky, twisting, though simple question, which is very potent topical glucocorticoids. Whoever guesses it will get a gold medal. Yes, give me one confident answer, doctor. You like to propose? D. You want to say clobetasol propionate is the very potent one. Am I right? Clobetasol propionate. Excellent. Even our online, no. Tirupati says clobetasol butyrate. Butyrate, no. Propionate, yes. So we have super potent means clobetasol. Betamethasone is potent. Least potent is hydrocortisone, is what need to be remembered. A middle-aged man is presenting with a query stroke. So with stroke, what is the first important evaluation you want to do, doctor? Huh? CT. Why you want to do CT? So that you can take a decision whether thrombolysis shall be done or not is a decision that you can always take, right? Now, in general, what is the commonest hemorrhage following head injury? Extradural, which is basically arterial bleeding. That's good. Dysphagia lusoria means that abnormal origin of the right subclavian. This question is lucky number, lottery number, because unless you assisted your surgery guys religiously in your housemanship, you can answer this question. Even then you answer or not, we are not sure, because you will assist a general surgeon, not a vascular surgeon in housemanship. So it is still a luck, lottery factor. Help me, give me one lucky answer. Question number 94, who will give me the correct answer? Quick answer, doctor. Daskatis, tickets are for sale. Yes? 22. 22. Are you operating on aorta? 10. 10 is another answer. Nina proposes her lucky number 15. Tirupati proposes the lucky number 11. Tirupati gets the correct answer. So for an arteriotomy, the vascular surgeon requests 11 blade, and for superficial procedures including plastic and hand procedures, 15 blade. Just don't run home and start reading blade sizes. This question is not going to come. There is a different lottery questions in the APPG. Pseudoparesis is obviously a hysterical paralysis, feigning of paralysis. Now, fracture neck of femur. As a consultant orthopedician, what do you want to teach your students? Irrespective of age, do you think surgery is needed? Can you also do conservative, and is it same outcome like operative? What is your answer? C, you want to say? Operation? C. Operation only for young and fit? Young and fit, not for old and operative management for young and fit? How do you say 60-year-old man who is otherwise fit? How about old and fit? Old are not always unfit, young are not always fit. What is your answer? Question number 96. Amrita proposes A, which is correct. Irrespective of any other choice, most patients need surgery, either for pain control, even for older sedentary patients also is what need to be remembered. Now, if we do this, same question comes in tomorrow APPG or Tamil Nadu PG or Maharashtra PG, you will be regretting. Fracture neck of femur, Gordon classification, everything, sab kuch pada magar ye kaise miss ho gaya, kind of a feeling you will have, no problem. That's the reason common sense at that moment also has a lot of role. So carry it, carry your integrity in abundance to the exam hall. Yes. So very high myopia. What do you want to basically tell them? Wear the spectacles throughout the day, you want to tell them? Ask them to remove spectacles while reading or work on the nearby object. What is your answer? No complicated questions, simple questions to clean you. It's called LBW, leg before the wicket, kind of questions. If you have done this wrong means entire ophthalmology 15 days you have spent in the canteen, rotating, revolving along with your boyfriend or a girlfriend without, completely bunking the posting. Common sense question, doesn't need reading also. So 97 Amrita correctly answered. She attended ophthalmology thoroughly. So, wear spectacles continuously during wakeful hours is the important recommendation. What is the role of corpus luteum? Will it regress? It will regress. Huh? It has a role of maintaining the conceived implant until HCG is produced by the placenta. Very good. A young married female is brought with lower abdominal pain, BP is 80/40, not recordable, near syncope. On telephone as a duty medical officer, what is your answer? Classical question. Ruptured ectopic pregnancy is what you have to think of. What is the meaning of infertility? A lot of people have a mistaken definition about it. Apparent failure of the couple to have intercourse or to conceive. Conceive. So they may be doing acrobatics on the bed, but unable to conceive. Somebody conceived a lot in spite of an amphibian nocturnal activity. So conception and potence are totally two different areas. Examiner want to be very sure before you take your MD, basics of sexology. Then lambda suture, there is that, it's a junction of what and what? It is parieto-occipital classically, very good. Now Menkes kinky hair syndrome is typically associated with, is it with what? Question number 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Give me one confident answer, doctor. 1 or 2? It is kinky hair because it's called Menkes kinky. It leads to growth retardation, lysyl oxidase enzyme deficiency. Is it zinc or copper? Standard question, no second thought. 1 or 2, Nina was clean bowled. She thought D is wrong. No, D is right. It is the copper, not the zinc. Copper is important for the lysyl oxidase enzyme is what need to be remembered.